In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have Stripe and QuickBooks Online talking to each other so your payouts, fees, and sales flow into your books with far less manual work. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and making sure you are in the correct company file. From the left menu, open the Apps or Integration section. Then use the search bar to look for Stripe Connector by QuickBooks. You want the official connector so your data maps correctly. Open it, review the overview and permissions, and when you are ready, choose Get App Now. QuickBooks will prompt you to log in to your Stripe account. Follow the on-screen steps, and when you see the authorization screen, click Agree and Connect. This gives the connector permission to read your Stripe transactions and bring them into QuickBooks. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, double-check you are connecting the right one before you confirm. Next, you'll configure a few key settings that determine how your transactions flow. First, choose your Stripe deposit account. This should be the same bank account where Stripe sends your payouts in real life. Matching the actual bank fee to your Stripe deposits keeps reconciling clean and prevents duplicate income. If you are not sure, check the bank account that receives your Stripe payouts and select that one here. Then, set your data sync date. Pick the date you want to start importing transactions. You can pull in up to 2 years of historical data, which is helpful if you are catching up your books. A practical tip is to start at the beginning of a month to make review and reconciliation simpler. Avoid overlapping a period you've already closed to prevent duplicates. You'll also see an option for automation called Auto AD Transactions. Turning this on allows the app to post high-confidence transactions to your books automatically. If you are new to the connector, you might prefer to leave it off at first. Review a few imports manually, and then enable it once you are comfortable with the results. Once connected, head to App Transactions to view what's been imported. This is where you'll confirm details and categorize anything the connector isn't fully sure about. Early on, plan to manually confirm some transactions so the system learns your preferences. Pay special attention to fees, refunds, and disputes so they land in the right accounts. As your review habits become consistent, the connector will get better at predicting your categories, saving you time each month. That's it for setting up the connection. Keep an eye on app transactions during your first few syncs and you'll be in great shape. Thanks for watching.